So what is a bell crank? It's a question we get on the phone quite often from customers. As you've got one of our power booster conversion kits here, you've got the booster. Imagining this was the firewall, this would be what we would call the bell crank assembly. Yes, it mounts the booster and master cylinder to the firewall, but it does a lot more. So here we've got a booster with the bell crank assembly, and we've got one of the brackets removed. With this bracket removed, you can kind of see what's going on inside. So as a manual brake pedal would exist in the car to begin with, you've got an attachment point here, then pushes in when you operate the pedal, that then obviously pushes forward and pivots down here, pushes forward on the brake booster, and that's what gives you your actuation. So why is this important? Your brake pedal would be a 6-to-1 ratio manual, and we need to get it to a 4-to-1 ratio. So through this bell crank assembly and the difference in this length versus the pedal, we can then change this from a 6-to-1 to a 4-to-1. If you've got a booster that bolts directly to the firewall, this isn't happening, and therefore then your ratio is wrong. So why is the ratio important? Well, if the ratio is not right, then you're going to get a situation where you've either got a really hard brake pedal, possibly even a brake pedal that's really touchy. So getting this right and having the proper ratio within this bell crank assembly is very important. So hopefully this has been helpful to you to understand what a bell crank assembly is, what it does, and why it's important. If you've got further questions or if you need further assistance, don't hesitate, give one of our tech representatives a call or check us out on our website at mpbrakes.com.